Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to actually quit Finder on a Mac. I don't know if any people know this, but it's actually pretty easy and you can do it pretty quick. So, yeah, so I'll show you the thing. So, anyways, before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Comment any video ideas because I'm pretty much just running out of them, and what you would like to see. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Make sure you like the video because I I yeah, so making these thumbnails and recording these videos, edited them actually is pretty hard. So make sure you like the video and subscribe. So anyways, as you can see, Finder, it's an app that cannot be quit. You can either hide it, do those stuff, so you can't quit it. But if you go here, you go to force quit, you'll think, oh, I can quit this, but you can only relaunch the app. Now you can relaunch Finder and it'll just open again, so you can't actually quit it. So basically what you're gonna do, you don't have to download anything, it's alright. So if you go to something called as, actually, you know what, an easier way is go here and then click on any app that's open. Now of course, okay, active. It's called as activity monitor. If you don't have this battery in your menu bar, if you don't have the battery thing in the menu bar, you have to go to settings or system preferences. You have to go to battery and click on battery. So basically you have to click this and then enter your password, right? And then if you don't see it right here, you have to check this, and then as you can see, you'll get the battery thing. So anyways, let's get back to the thing. So you might know what to do from here. If you go here and go to Finder, you can press this and click on quit. Now once you click on quit, what should happen is it's closed. Now first, before I knew this trick, I wondered, oh, what happens if we quit Finder? Will the computer off? Will it never be on again? No, none of that. But basically, your system is this. So you have quit your system, but you can see it. So you can't drag to select stuff or do anything like that. You can open apps, any apps, but you can't do anything on this desktop. And as you can see, none of my files are here. But if you open this, that's just gonna open it and all of your files will be back. And now we are in the system. If you click it again, then you can actually open Finder. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, as I said. And yeah, goodbye.